Assam government has started its probe into the tragic death of a newborn at the Guwahati Medical College Hospital yesterday. In fact, this is the Guwahati Medical College Hospital, one of the biggest government medical facility not only in Assam but across Northeast India. Thousands of patients come here every day, and it was yesterday when at the neonatal ICU of this hospital that unfortunately 3 newborns who were kept in one crib inside the ICU where media is not allowed to enter. The newborns which were kept there, they fell off from the crib, and the parents have alleged that this was due to negligence of the medical staff. And after they fell off, one of the newborn was found dead. The other 2 have sustained injuries. They are being treated, and therefore, after the incident started being reported in media, there was sharp criticism against this incident in social media, and therefore Assam Chief Minister, who visited the hospital, has now set up a 3-member committee that is going to probe the entire incident. He categorically said that it is a kind of a shame for the government establishment that a newborn had to die in this way. He personally felt that there is a neglect on the part of the hospital authorities, and therefore everyone involved will be probed. But what is important to note is that the parents of the newborn have also registered a case at the Bhangagar police station here in Guwahati, where it is being probed. Also, Assam police has taken a suo moto case against people, hospital staff, who many of the people have alleged that they basically ask for money for rendering service. So that is a separate case which is being investigated by the Assam police. However, now after this tragic incident, now the state government has taken some steps and the probe has started. In Guwahati with Nakul Rabha, Ratndeep Chaudhary for NDTV.